What is going on, investors? My name's Emmanuel, and this is a video I never thought I would have to make. But you guys already know me on this channel. I always keep it 100% with you guys, always transparent. And whenever there's good news or whenever there's bad news, especially regarding a stock that we talk about on this channel, best believe I will cover it and be completely honest with you regarding my position. Now, most of you already know me. I am a Tattooed Chef shareholder. I've been a Tattooed Chef shareholder for the past 6-7 months now. There's been a few highs, but there's been a lot of lows, okay? And you've probably read the title. I've finally reached that decision whereby I've sold my entire holding of Tattooed Chef. Now, the reason why I have is for two main reasons, okay? And I'm going to explain both of these reasons in great detail, all right? So before you dislike the video, before you unsubscribe, just hear me out, all right? Hear me out. Try and understand where I'm coming from as a YouTuber, and also as somebody who has been vocal about Tattooed Chef since it was a SPAC. Remember when it was FMCI, you know, Foreign Merger 2. I've been speaking about Tattooed Chef now for a while. And, you know, I bought in at like $24. And all I've been doing since I've bought Tattooed Chef is averaging down. I mean, even people in my Discord. Let me show you my Discord, right? It's now becoming a running joke within my Discord. This is a comment from Musashi, who is one of the respected moderators within my Discord. He said, you know, day 100 of buying the Tattooed Chef dips. And I was quite surprised that he got one reaction from a Discord member called Afro Josh. Again, doesn't make me feel good, hurts my feelings. And, you know, another joke, and this one, I actually laughed at that. He said, Manny, so people call me Manny in my Discord. Manny, the type of guy to get a fine and pay it off with Tattooed Chef shares, indicating that there's pretty much no other use for the shares. And this one got a lot more of a reaction. You know, over 10 people laughed at that. And obviously, me being me, I didn't want to come across as somebody who, you know, is not engaging. So of course I gave it a laughing face just to kind of, you know, mask my feelings. And it's just getting that way. And, you know, and another thing as well, and this actually even hurt the most, you know, we're talking about Zomedica and Zom breaking out, and Musashi once again, the moderator, he said, by the looks of it, Tattooed Chef will break out in 2025. And again, as you can see, we had over 14 reactions, and I had to react to kind of save face. And also people gave diamond hands, and now this is becoming a bit serious. So I'm finding it harder and harder as the day goes by to defend Tattooed Chef. And the second main reason, as much as the people in my Discord are now finding it as a laughing stock, literally a laughing stock, the second reason is the share price action, okay? The share price action has been going sideways. Like I said, I bought in at $25, $26 a share back in September. And as you can see, it's just pretty much gone nowhere. It's gone nowhere fast, you know. It's gone nowhere. It's consolidated. And like I said, all I've been doing has been buying the dips. And I'm tired of buying the dips, and I figured today's the day. Sorry, just one moment, sorry. Sorry, it's just not easy for me. Today's the day I sold. Peace.